Okay, so we're gonna play a game. It's called Cesare Has to Take Pills right now, and he's kind of angry about it. So, he's sitting on my lap, kind of aware of the situation right now. We have a pill. He's becoming more aware of the situation. Arrgh. And he asks that you do not look below the belt. He's a modest cat after all. Pill. Just a little tiny thing. You can barely see it. And nothing makes him more angry than this pill. Okay, you ready? Nope. Mean Mummy's coming out. Oh, damn it. No, I do not swear. Okay, ready? We have to close his mouth. He gets so angry. Okay, he has stopped the drama. Oh no! Little bastard. Okay. Try number 2. No, you're gonna take the pill! You're gonna take the pill! Now he knows what's coming. Open, open, open! He just took it. Ah! We didn't take the pill.